Hey guys, Gord here with Biktrix. I'm just here with our brand new Swift CVT 2 that just landed. I want to give you guys a few exciting updates to the bike, as well as show off some of the new features that came with this bike. And specifically, I think the biggest upgrade to this Generation 2 is this motor right here. So it's the Bafang M430 motor. And one of the things that really stood out to me was how quiet this motor was, and not only how quiet, but also the amount of power and how smooth that this bike it really is. And I think a lot of people think that you need a powerful motor, 750 watts, 1,000 watts, but really in the city you don't really want something that's too powerful, and there is such a thing as being too powerful. And I think for something that is more of a commuter and gets you from point A to B, gets some groceries, I think this 500 watts is the real deal. And also, what's really cool about this bike is it comes with a brand new display system here, and it's really bright. It shows you all the relevant information, and I think that a lot of you will really enjoy. And I think what's really exciting about this new version of the bike is that this version is compatible with the MVolo automatic, which is really cool. So I'm just gonna show you very quickly on some of the riding footage, and let's jump right into it. So if you didn't already know what the MVolo shifting system is all about, you'll have the shifter right here, and it's super intuitive. You can shift on a standstill, so even if you're at a stop, you can just gently twist this knob there, and you see that it became a hill. Alternatively, you can make it a flat as well, and it's just super easy, super intuitive to use. And so right here, I'm just gonna hit the throttle and see how fast it can get me. I'm already at 30. And wow, like that was so quiet, so smooth. And yeah, I think this bike is really gonna be great. And I'll also, let me just get by a hill here. So we're just approaching a gentle hill here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm at a stop, I'm just gonna twist this right there and make it a nice little hill. And I'm gonna start going, and it's a little hard to pedal without two hands, but there you go. It's super easy, and like you can hear the motor. Like, well, I guess you can't hear it, and that's the point. It's so quiet that makes this bike such a breeze, and it's super easy to pedal, like no problem at all. But what would make this even better is if we had an automatic system, which is available now as an option, but then I wouldn't have to worry about stopping and then pedaling again. Like, it's just going to be awesome. So I can't wait for some of you guys to try out the new automatic upgrade, and until next time.